Ever wondered why ginger is a common ingredient in home remedies? Or why your grandma always insisted on adding ginger to your meals? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to Health Journey and our intriguing exploration into the world of ginger. We'll unearth ancient secrets, discover its myriad health benefits, and even share some tips on how to incorporate this wonder root into your everyday meals. This journey promises to be as exciting as it is enlightening. So buckle up as we journey into the vibrant world of ginger. Let's step back in time and uncover the rich history of ginger. The story of ginger begins in the lush landscapes of Southeast Asia, where it was first cultivated. This tangy root quickly found its way into many aspects of life, from cuisine to healing. Its remarkable medicinal properties were recognized early on, and it became a cornerstone in traditional medicinal practices. In ancient China, it was cherished for its ability to treat a wide array of ailments. Similarly, in India, Ayurvedic medicine harnessed the power of ginger to balance the body and mind. The Greeks and Romans were not to be left behind. They too discovered the magic of ginger, using it as a digestive aid in their elaborate feasts. As trade routes expanded, so did the fame of ginger, reaching every corner of the globe. From ancient medicine to modern kitchens, ginger has truly stood the test of time. But what makes it so special? Now, let's delve into the impressive health benefits of this wonder root. If you've ever wondered why ginger is so often touted as a superfood, get ready to be enlightened. Firstly, ginger is a fantastic aid for all things digestive. It's been used for centuries to soothe upset stomachs and ease digestion. Whether you're dealing with nausea, bloating, indigestion, or even morning sickness, a little bit of ginger might just do the trick. And it's not just about calming the stomach. Ginger can also help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, ensuring you're getting the most out of your meals. But the benefits of ginger extend beyond the digestive system. Ginger is packed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds like gingerol, which can help to reduce inflammation and swelling. This makes it an effective natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation plays a key role. But even if you're not dealing with a specific health condition, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like ginger into your diet can help to keep your body functioning at its best. If you're someone who often finds themselves battling the common cold or flu, you'll be pleased to know that ginger is also a fantastic immune booster. Packed with antioxidants, it helps your body to fend off harmful viruses and bacteria, keeping you healthier overall. Plus, it can help to clear up congestion and soothe a sore throat, making it a great natural remedy during cold and flu season. In short, this humble root packs a serious health punch. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system, it's no wonder that ginger has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. But wait, there's more to this incredible root. Continuing our exploration of ginger's health benefits, let's delve into its potential for pain relief, cardiovascular health, and weight management. First, let's talk about pain relief. Chronic pain can be debilitating, affecting every aspect of your life. But here's where ginger can come to the rescue. It's been found that ginger may have analgesic properties, or in simpler terms, it can help to relieve pain. Studies have suggested that consuming ginger can help manage pain, especially in conditions like osteoarthritis. So if you're dealing with chronic pain, adding a bit of ginger to your diet could be a game changer. Now, onto cardiovascular health. Your heart is arguably one of the most essential organs in your body, and taking care of it should be a top priority. Interestingly, ginger has been linked to improved heart health. It's been found that ginger can assist in lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels, both crucial factors in maintaining a healthy heart. But that's not all. Ginger also has blood-thinning properties, which can help prevent the formation of blood clots. All of these benefits combined make ginger a fantastic ally for your cardiovascular system. Finally, let's talk about weight management. For many of us, maintaining a healthy weight can be a struggle, but once again, ginger might be able to lend a hand. Ginger has been found to help increase metabolism, which in turn can help you burn more calories. Plus, it can also help reduce feelings of hunger, making it easier to stick to a balanced diet. As you can see, ginger is not just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you're looking to manage pain, improve your heart health, or maintain a healthy weight, ginger could be just the ingredient you need. So, why not give it a try? Your body might just thank you for it. By now, You're probably wondering, how can I start incorporating more ginger into my diet? Well, the good news is, ginger is as versatile as it is beneficial. There are countless ways to add this powerful root into your daily meals. A popular way to enjoy ginger is by making a warming ginger tea. Simply steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water, add a squeeze of lemon and a touch of honey if you like, and voila, you have a comforting and health-boosting beverage. Ginger also adds a zesty kick to soups and stews. Whether you're making a hearty vegetable soup or a savory meat stew, a spoonful of grated ginger can elevate the flavors while imbuing the dish with its health benefits. For stir-fries and sautés, ginger is a must. Its pungent aroma and spicy sweet flavor pair wonderfully with a variety of ingredients, from vegetables and tofu to chicken and beef. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and adjust to taste. And let's not forget about smoothies. Adding a small piece of ginger to your morning smoothie can kickstart your day with a boost of anti-inflammatory benefits. Plus, it adds a refreshing twist to your usual blend. Desserts too can benefit from a hint of ginger. Gingerbread cookies, anyone? Or how about a ginger-infused fruit salad? The possibilities are endless. So don't wait. Start exploring the wonders of ginger in your kitchen today. To recap, we've explored the fascinating history and impressive health benefits of ginger. From its ancient roots in Southeast Asia to its widespread use in traditional medicine, ginger has proven time and time again to be a health powerhouse. We discussed its role in digestion, inflammation, immunity, pain relief, cardiovascular health, and even weight management. Plus, we've shared some ways to incorporate this wonder root into your meals. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of ginger. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.